Good morning, everybody. Doing a little bit of breakfast already. Oh yeah. Looks like we got a little bit of carcinogens going on. Whoops. Not too bad. Got that whole Dutch oven full of this amazing beef stew with potatoes, carrots, onions. I put a packet of spicy top ramen mix in there, and it's great. So I'll be eating off that big pot for 4 or 5 days. You just heat it up real good. It's ready to go. A little bit of garlic bread, throw in there. I cannot afford to blow up a diesel, so I check my fluids every single time I'm going on a little trip. And that is engine oil, transmission fluid, and V-drive oil. Good. And then I also check, it's a little over the top maybe, but I make sure my shaft is free and spinning and that the coupler is all attached, all the bolts are there. I check my shifter cable to make sure that's secured and not going to fall off and have the boat run away. That's just a little pre-trip check I do every day. Definitely helps ease the mind. This is the little 50 horsepower Isuzu C240 I repowered my boat with. Did a whole DIY job on it. Made this adapter plate. I have a bunch of videos on that. You guys can go check out if you want. Anyway, let's get moving here. So we're gonna head back to Port Townsend. We're over in Scow Bay. Hiding from some southwesterlies that are blowing through. It gets real nasty over in Port Townsend, so I just come over here for those blows. So we're gonna head back there and throw the anchor down. Out of Mystery Bay, and at the mouth here is a pretty fun little channel to navigate out of. So we got to navigate all around here, through, and then all the way back down and out. back anchored up in Port Townsend. I'm gonna run in to the hardware store and pick up some materials for a little project. I got a little something I'm gonna build. It's a little surprise. You guys will have to guess what it is. Alright, we're back to the boat. I got my string here. I'm gonna start making this and we'll see if you guys can guess what it is. Alright, we got 16 pieces of 2-yard string. 8 of gray and 8 of this brown. So we're gonna take this brown here, match up our ends, and find the middle. We're gonna take a gray, match up the middles, and then what we'll do is we're gonna put this through and do a lark's head where you make a loop and then pull through just like so, and tighten that down the best we can. Now we going to straighten out the brown. So we got gray, and we'll take a brown, and we'll lark's head it on. So what we're doing, we're just taking these strings and putting them on in alternating colors. Alright, time for a dinner break. Got some more stew. This is where we got to. We got a continuous ring with alternating colors. Lark's hit it on. So, any guesses? Anybody got any guesses? Well, it's the next day. Good morning, everybody. Unfortunately, I woke up a little under the weather today. Got a sore throat and congested and all that good stuff. So, we're just gonna sit tight and work on our little project today and listen to Joe Rogan or something and keep moving forward on this project so you guys can finally see what it is. Well, good morning. It's the next day. I'm still sick, which is less than ideal. It's not very fun. I didn't sleep worth a shit last night. I was up all night. It was like 3 in the morning. Couldn't breathe. The whole 9 yards of fun. So, you guys are probably figuring out what this is. It's a new style that's been going around. It's a fishnet hook or a head covering. I'm fucking with you. It's a net bag. Make a little bag to... Originally, I was making it big enough to be a laundry bag, but it turned out a lot smaller than I anticipated. So next time I'll have to do double the amount of strings, double the length, and we'll... Anyway, we're getting close to the end up here. We'll put a couple more rows of mesh in and put a drawstring. Well, sitting here trying to recover from being sick, and I get a gale warning notification on my phone come up. So it looks like we're gonna have 30 knots southerly Friday through Saturday. So this place is a total no-go. You don't want to be here during southerlies. It gets huge waves. You can get blown into the lee shore, the breakwater, rocks, boats get screwed up here. So that puts an end to the sitting around trying to feel better. I gotta run in, get some groceries, grab some fuel, grab some stuff, which I don't want to do. I don't want to go anywhere right now. But can't stay here. We gotta move, so we're gonna go do that. Alright, just came into the dock here. They got the Hawaiian chieftain here. They got her in here ready for the gale as well, so everybody's getting ready for the weather. Alright, well, we got back from the grocery store. Whew. Which was not very fun when I'm feeling like this. But we got groceries, we got some water, and some stuff for a few days. So, gonna fire up the boat and head back over to Scout Bay where we started this video.
Made it in Mescal Bay. Now we're cooking up some spaghetti. Some delicious mushrooms in there. The winds are absolutely ripping over there. You can see how fast the clouds are flying by. We got this nice windward shore here we're tucked behind. So in here we're getting the occasional really strong gust that catches the boat sideways, good wind, and heels this way over. But we're behind this nice windward shore tucked in, so we're not getting any of the waves building and nailing us. Over in Port Townsend, got reports that waves are so big they're coming over the breakwater, breaking over it into the marina, and there's gusts as high as 36 out there. So definitely a good choice to not hang out in Port Townsend and come over here again. So we'll hang out here until Saturday or whenever this stuff lets up. But it's crazy. Bingo, there it is. The cool little bottom going on there. Anyway, we just got a bunch more blows coming in. I'm just gonna be hung up here for a few more days. Nothing exciting really, just hanging out, trying to get better. Yeah, I think this is where we're gonna leave off on this one. Appreciate everyone watching and sticking around to this point in the video. If you want to show me some love, you could always head over to my Amazon wish list. I'll leave the link down below. That's just things I have on there that I could use. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.